Hey everyone, Nick here. Today I'm going to be doing a quick restoration on these two knives. These belong to a friend of mine. He asked if I could clean them up and resharpen them. So we're going to do that today. So here are the two knives. They're both very similar and have no maker's marks. They're a partial tang design. And what's really neat about these is I think that these were handmade. Now, along with these knives, my friend had a bunch of other knives that were stainless steel of a similar design, and I think that the owner of these knives actually made these to replicate those other knives. These knives are in really good condition. I don't have to do a lot to them, so I'm just going to clean off the blades and resand the handles. So here we go. So cleaning the blade is going to be very straightforward. I've got a metal scouring pad here, and I'm just going to go with the grind and just match the existing scratch pattern on the knife. And I'm just going to do this until all of the rust is gone. You can see a nice clean spot here, and you just keep going, moving up and down the blade, making sure to keep up the original scratch pattern. That way you give it that nice matte finish. Alright, so that's as much as I'm going to do on this side for now. And now I'm going to start cleaning up this side. So now I'm starting off with 80 grit sandpaper. I'm just going to sand down the handle. I'm just bringing it down to bare wood, smoothing it out so that we can apply a nice finish on here. So here we go. And here it is with 420 grit. Alright, now it's time to finish up the handle. I've got a food safe finish that I made out of beeswax and mineral oil. It's 1 part beeswax to 1 part mineral oil. And just rub it in. Once I've got a good coat on there, I just rub it in with a towel just to get a little heat. That helps to melt the wax and really get the finish in there. And here are the handles finished up. Now looking at them, I think the wood is beech. If you guys have any other opinions or any insights, please let me know. So now I'm going to use my belt sander to correct the curve, remove a couple of nicks, and then sharpen the blade. Alright, so let's test the edge. And here they are, all finished up. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.